Hello, good morning. I am going to start algae, its second class. This is known as Phaeophyceae. Phaeophyceae or Phaeophyta. It is originated from the Greek words. Phyos means brown and phyton means plant. So it is also known as brown algae, brown plants. Brown algae are eukaryotic marine algae, possesses chlorophyll A, C, phycoxanthin, phycocolloids, algin, and reserve food in the form of laminaria. Brown algae comprises about 2000 species. Majority of brown algae are marine, generally occur in both tidal and subtidal regions of colder seas. Unicellular forms are absent. Body of brown algae is branched filamentous structures in lower forms. Its best example is Ectocarpus. Ectocarpus has branched filamentous structures of their body. Parenchymatous structures are present in higher forms like fucus, laminaria, etc. Its body become parenchymatous structures. Brown green algae, largest algae and largest alga, that is giant brown algae, is called kelp. It is about 40 to 100 meters. For example, Macrocystis, and 20 to 30 meters. Example is Nereocystis. So these are the two different types of brown algae, which is largest in form like giant, known as giant brown algae. Plant body is differentiated into holdfast, stipes, and lamina. Lamina is also known as the frond. You see the diagram of the brown algae. You see the B1, B2 and B3. That is the common example and best examples of brown green algae. This is holdfast, stipes and frond. These are the examples and diagram of laminaria. And B2 is the fucus and B3 is known as dictyota. Is also known as dictyota. So these are the best example of red algae. So its body is differentiated into holdfast, that is the basal part, then stripes holding them, and this is the frond, that means lamina. The large form often possesses air vesicle or bladder for buoyancy. These are the air bladder. It also helps for the buoyancy properties of the plants. So it is known as air bladder like structures. Cell wall contains cellulose, non-glucan saccharides and phycocolloids. Photosynthetic organelles or chromatophores possesses three thylakoid lamella. Photosynthetic pigment like chlorophyll A, C and carotenoids, carotenes and xanthophylls also includes. It is brown due to presence of xanthophyll, is called fucoxanthin. So its color is brown due to presence of fucoxanthin. Food reserve is laminarian, that is carbohydrates and lipids. So food is reserved in the form of carbohydrate like laminarine and lipids. Cells possesses refractile vesicles called Fuchsian vesicles. Fuchsian vesicles conducting tubes or trumpet hyphae are present in large form of kelp. Asexual reproductions with the help of both motile and non-motile spores, that is neutrospores, tetraspores, monospores, etc. are the asexual mode of reproductions. Sexual reproduction varies from isogamy and anisogamy to oogamy. You know well the meaning of isogamy and anisogamy or oogamy. In isogamy, spores are, and in isogamy and anisogamy, both the gametes are motile with heteronot flagellations. Both gametes are in both the gametes are motile and are known as heteronot flagellations. In oogamy, only the male gametes are motile or flagellate. The female gametes are non-motile. So these are the major characteristics of brown algae. Isomorphic alterations of generations is found in some brown algae, for example, Ectocarpus, Dictyota, etc. Here both the haploid and diploid generations are present and are similar in structures. In many brown algae, the diploid generations or phases is dominant. The haploid generations or phases is either microscopic or represented by gametes only. The best example is fucus. Some common brown algae are Laminaria, fucus, Dictyota, Sargassum, etc. So this is B1 is Laminaria, B2 is fucus, and B3 is Dictyota are the common examples of brown green algae. Now see the economic importance of brown green algae. The edible brown algae are also used as fodder. So it is also used for the food. Number of brown green algae are used as food in some countries like Laminaria, Elaricia, Sargassums, etc. Second importance is falling of ships. Some are attached to hulls of ships, for example Ectocarpus, and some are also create the nonsense value for the ships. It is also used as in the form of the iodine. Fucus and Laminaria are rich source of iodine. Potash is abundant in macrocystis. So these are used as the iodine form. Next, it is used as the medicines. Sodium laminarian sulfate is used as blood anticoagulants. Laminaria and Ascophyllum have antibiotic properties. Durvilla has worm expelling or vermifuge properties. So this is used as the medicines forms. Last, it is used as the alginic acid. Alginic acid is obtained commercially from the laminaria. Alginic acid and its salts are used in obtaining emulsions like ice cream, ointment, toothpaste, cosmetics, creams, shampoos, etc. It is also used as the security glass, formations of pills, and surgical threads, flame-proof plastics, sizing textiles, etc. So, alginic acid it's utilized as the different forms. So these are the characteristics of brown green algae and its economic importance. So now we discuss the third class. This is known as Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae is known as red algae. It is originated from Greek word rhodo means red and phyton means plant. So its name is red algae Rhodophyceae. Rhodophyceae is defined as eukaryotic algae which possesses chlorophyll A, phycobilins, floridine starch as food reserve, abundant phycocolloids like agar, carrageenan, phonery, etc. but lack flagellated cells. So now red algae are an ancient group of algae with 5,000 living species are available. They are marine except few are freshwater species. Mode of nutrition is autotrophic, few are parasitic on other red algae. A motile and flagellate stage in the life cycle is absent. Plant body varies from unicellular, filamentous, pseudoparenchymatous, parenchymatous seeds, ribbons, lace-like complex multicellular seaweeds, for example, Giladium. So these are the various forms of plant body. Cell wall contains cellulose, pectic compounds and certain mucopolysaccharides called phycocolloids. For example, agar, carrageenan and phonery are the different compounds which is obtained from their cell walls and present in their cell wall. Photosynthetic pigments include chlorophyll A, carotenoids and phycobilins. Phycobilins is water soluble pigments and are of generally two types. First is also known as phycoerythrin, it is red in color, and second is phycocyanin, it is blue in color. As well as yellow phycocyanin, that is the similar pigments also occur in cyanobacteria. Cyanobacteria is known as blue-green algae. The red color of red algae is due to abundant formations of phycoerythrin. Phycoerythrin is able to absorb blue-green wavelength of light. Being shorter, these wavelengths are able to reach the maximum depth in water. Therefore, red algae reach the maximum depth in sea where no other type of photosynthetic organisms grow. However, rhodophytes living in shallower water do not appear reddish due to laser synthesis of phycoerythrin. Food is reserved in the form of Floridian starch. Food reserve in form of Floridian starch. Floridian starch. It constitute in constitution it is very much similar to glycogen or amylopectin. Asexual reproduction takes place through a variety of spores. Asexual reproduction through varieties of spores like neutrospores, like neutral spore, monospores, tetraspores, carpospores, gyma, etc. Sexual reproduction is oogamy. The male sex organ is called spermatangium or antheridium. It produces non-flagellate male gamete known as spermatium. The female sex organ is flask-shaped and is termed as carpogonium. Male sex organs is known as antheridium or spermatangium. Female sex organs known as carpogonium. These are the major characteristics of Rhodophyceae red algae. Carpogonium possesses an elongated receptive organs named trichogyne. Spermatia are carried by water current to trichogyne tips for effective fertilization. The female sex organs remain attached to the plants and form a new structures called carposporophytes. Multicellular forms have an alternation of generations like haploid and diploid. So in Phaeophyceae, alternation of generation are haploid and diploid. So these are the characteristics of red algae. Now economic importance. Economic importance of red algae. Of red algae. It is used as food. First of all, it is used as food. A number of red algae are edible. Prophyra, Rhodymania, etc. are also used as fodder. So it is used as food in the form of fodder. Prophyra is cultivated in Japan for commercial exploitations. So these are the common red algae. C1 is denoted as the red algae. C1 is Prophyra and C2 is the Polysiphonia. These are the common examples of Rhodophyceae. So Prophyra is cultivated in Japan for commercial exploitations. Second, phycocolloids. Phycocolloids. A number of phycocolloids are extracted for commercial use. They include agar, carrageenan, and funoria. Agar is obtained from Xylidium and Glacidaria, and it is used as pudding, ice cream, cheese, preparations of jelly due to a stabilizer or thickeners. It is used in the form of a stabilizer and thickeners. And it is also used in the laboratory for culture media. So it is in the form of the agar. It is obtained from Xylidium. Second, algene. Sorry, not algene. Carrageenan. And third is also known as funoria. These are the three compounds originated from phycocolloids. So carrageenan is extracted from chondrus. It is abstracted from chondrus. It is used as a cleaning agent in liquor, leathers, fishing, and in emulsifiers in chocolate, ice cream, toothpaste, paint, etc. And third is funoria. It is obtained from Gloriopus gloriotes. It is used as adhesive. It is used as a glue for adhesive and is signing textiles, paper, etc. So these are the three forms of phycocolloids. And next, it is used as the bromine, in the form of the bromine. Bromine is obtained from some of the red algae. like Rhodomela, etc. Fourth, it is also used as medicines. So some medicines are also obtained from red algae. Corallina is capable of curing worm infections. Polysiphonia has antibacterial properties. Agar is laxative. Carrageenan can coagulate bloods, so it is also used as the medicines. So these are the economic importance of red algae. Thank you.